Hey, Munchkin. Are you hungry? Are you enjoying the sun? Oh, can I come in there? It's kind of a big jump for me. Oh, gosh. How are we going to do this today, huh? How are we going to do this? You ready to eat some more? Come on. Over here to our corner. This is our lucky corner. You're so skinny. It's alright, we're going to fix it. We'll get you all fattened up. How's your butt? I gotta go to town. I need jeans. Here we go. Oh, look at you go. Get your head up. Here we go. Some more. There's just a half a drink more in there. There you go. There you go. How's your nose? Okay. We'll leave this out here for later. Yeah, come lay back down in the sun. Yeah. Are you happy? You happy? Happy? Oh, look at you go. Oh, we like food. We like food, don't we? Yeah? Your tummy's pretty full. I'll give you some more when I get back, okay? Watch it, Mama. Hey, everybody. So, little bit that I have in the barn, the little bottle calf, that his mama was starving him. She just had bad bag. And we struggled, he and I, the little calf and I struggled for about 2 days to get him really going on the bottle. And yesterday morning at about 5 in the morning, he just took to it. And we were rolling then. And his stomach is getting a little bigger, and we gave him a little bit of probiotic and get his system working good. He's looking good, and I was really excited because he's going to be a really great little bottle calf, enthusiastic and was doing well, which is, you know, half the battle. But on the other half of the ranch last night, they had some calving problems and lost a calf. So Little Bit is going to go and get a new mom today, which I'm not going to go along, so you're going to miss out on the grafting process. But Miles is going to take Little Bit out of the barn, take him over to the other part of the ranch, and get him going on the first calf heifer. And if it doesn't work out with the first calf heifer, then he will bring Little Bit back to me. But he got fed at about 5 a.m. this morning and took about half a bottle. So he should be good and hungry by the time that they get the heifer around and it all situated. But I just wanted to let you know where Little Bit is going, because he's not going to be over here anymore. He won't be any more videos until he and his cow, his new cow, get really happy and end up over here as a pair. So, a little sad situation, but a happy ending. Hungry. Ready to go meet your new mom? Miles is gonna tie you up. Bye, Shorty. in the gate. Pickup's stuck in the crowd. It's not stuck exactly, it's just very muddy right there. Pretty girl. Pretty girls. They're hungry. Hungry girls. Here's a fancy dog. Being good. You on the other hand. Yeah, that's right. Keep moving. He's got her this time. Oops, we're off to a bad start. Concrete. There's concrete there. There's vents there. See, the problem is that the first set of ruts going in are causing him to slide. He has to go in at an angle and out at a different angle. We wouldn't even be able to attempt this without the tire chains. And we got the 4-wheel drive fixed. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it is fixed. It's permanently in 4-wheel drive, actually. I might have to get something to pull him out of there. Can you turn around and go forward? She really wants to go along. Reverse has a serious issue. Poor pickup. Just beat it all to hell. It was beat to hell before we got it. We use it hard. Oh, we might have her this time. We might have her, girls. Get out of the way. Just trying not to slide. Doctored a sick calf this morning, and it's pouring rain. It's unbelievable. It's just pouring rain. I am soaked clean through. I ran out and put him in the barn with his mom so that he had a chance to be dry and not be sick and wet. So, into the house for puppy we go. After we put Miles in the garage here, the bike is on its way. I wasn't going to stand around in the rain and wait for him. I'm sure he is so clear through too.